Welcome once again. There is a problem. It is an isosceles right angle triangle with big Q, small q, and small q. With big Q and small q, what is the distance is A, and small q and small q, it is A. That is the two equal sides of an isosceles right angle, whereas the hypotenuse is A root 2. So, what is the relationship between big Q and small q? That's a big question. When electrostatic potential energy is 0. So what is the electrostatic potential energy? It is denoted by U equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught big Q into small q divided by A plus small q into small q divided by A plus big Q into small q divided by A root 2. That will be equal to 0. So you can take Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 A common. So we will get Q big Q plus small q plus big Q by root 2 equals to 0. So once you get this equal to 0, so we can calculate big Q plus big Q by root 2 equals to minus Q, because big Q plus small q plus big Q by root 2 equals to 0. So we can write big Q plus big Q by root 2 equals to minus Q. So Q into 1 plus root 2 by root 2 equals to minus Q. So because whenever you adding, so Q into 1 plus 1 by root 2 equal to minus Q. So Q equals to minus root 2Q by 1 plus root 2, because Q into 1 plus root 2. So if you root 2 goes there, numerator with the Q, so big Q equals to minus 2 root Q by 1 plus root 2. Thank you, students. Welcome once again to a problem of electric field intensity in an equilateral triangle AB having charge plus 1 microcoulomb and B minus 1 microcoulomb, an equilateral triangle having side 10 centimeter. So at point P, we need to find out the electric field intensity. As you know, electric field intensity means C will have positive charge. So A and C will have repulsion. It will move towards X. Whereas B is having negative charge and C is having positive charge. So there will be attraction. So it will come like this. One will come like this and others go like this. So resultant will be Cp. So this angle is beta. We will find it out afterwards. So if angle ACB is 60 degrees, so this has to be 120 degrees. How to find electric field intensity? ECP equal to ECP equal to EAC या EAX square plus EBC square same plus 2 EAC EBC into cos 120. As you know, parallelogram law of addition, resultant equal to root over A square plus B square plus twice AB into cos theta. So now EAC is what? 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into 10 to the power minus 6 into divided by 10 by 100 whole square. EBC is also same, minus, that is a negative will be there. That means EC equal to minus of EBC. So EAC whole square equal to EBC whole square, that is equal to E square. So first find out ECP equals to what? Root over E square plus 2 E square into minus half, because cos 120 is minus half. So this will come root 2 E square minus E square, so it will come root E square by, that is E. So E is coming the electric field. Now let us go and find out what is electric field here. E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 10 to the power minus 6 by 10 by 100, that means 1 by 10 whole square. So it will come 9 into 10 to the power 9, 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 value into 10 to the power minus 4, because 10 square will go up in the numerator and we will make it 9 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per coulomb. That is that the resultant ECP will be 9 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per coulomb, and its direction will be parallel to AB. It's parallel to AB. That means we can see here it is parallel to AB and nothing else. Next, what we have to see, direction. Now tan beta. How will you find out tan beta here? EAX sine 120 by EAX cos 120 plus EBC. That means with beta is angle between this intensity with this one. So we'll start with CX. That is the formula. That is EAX or ECX sine 120 divided by EAX cos 120 plus EBC cos 120. So sine 120 is root 3 by 2 and cos 120 is minus half. So EBC minus EX by 2, and EAX it will be root 3 3 by 2 EAX divided by EBC minus EAX by 2. So root 3 EAX divided by 2 EBC minus EAC. We put the value of EX root 3 into 9 into 10 to the power 5. And EBC value, it will be under modulus, so it will be positive. So 2 into 9 into 10 to the power 5 minus 9 into 10 to the power 5. So it will come root 3 into 9 into 10 to the power 5 divided by 9 into 10 to the power 5. That will be root 3. So when tan beta equal to root 3, beta equal to 60 degree. So angle of beta is 60 degree. Thank you, students. Welcome, students, to a new problem of electrostatics. You can see an infinite number of charges, each equal to q, are arranged a line at a distance of 1, 2, 4, 8 from a fixed point. Calculate intensity and potential at that point. That means it is a superposition of potential, a superposition of intensity, as you can understand. So what is the formula of intensity? E equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r square. So it's a summation. That is E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by 1 square plus q by 2 square plus q by 4 square. Since it is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r square. So q is common. So 1 plus 1 fourth plus 1 plus 1 fourth plus 1 by 16 plus dot 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 dot. So whenever infinite series starts with 1 and it goes in, it's an infinite GP series, the first term is 1 divided by first term minus second term. It's very simple. So 1 plus 1 fourth plus 1 by 16. So q by 4 pi epsilon 0 into 1 divided by 1 minus 1 by 4. 1 will be there in the first numerator and it has to be there in the denominator minus the second term. So it will come q by 4 pi epsilon 0 1 divided by 3/4. So it will come q by 4 pi epsilon 0 into 4/3. So now it will be q by 3 pi epsilon naught. You can see q by 3 pi epsilon naught, that is equal to 2. Coming to potential, so you can have V equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r. So it's a summation. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into q by 1 plus q by 2 plus q by 4 up to dot dot dot. So q by 4 pi epsilon 0 into 1 plus half plus 1/4 up plus dot dot dot. So q by 4 pi epsilon 0 into 1 divided by 1 minus half. Again first term will be, numerator will be 1 always. And the denominator will start from 1 minus, that is first term minus second term, 1 minus half. But if it is not 1, it is something else, then we have to do in any other way itself. So it is q by 4 pi epsilon 0 into 1 divided by half. So it will come q by 4 pi epsilon 0 into 2. So finally it will come V equal to q by 2 pi epsilon 0. Thank you, students.